Once Chiwenga becomes president in 2028, all Ugandans will be arrested in less than 24 hours. Their assets seized by the state. Zabina mashukuru toka pana van Isaac Makomich. Zvazozikangwa nevanhu vese zimaposa mugara muchiona tichiburitsa Isaac Makomich kuti panguva ino is a strong supporter of VP Konsano Chiwenga, and he says generally aiwa vatova in office muna 2028. Nzarapina mashoko ari kuda panguva ino is a supporter of VP Konsano Chiwenga semasapotero anongoitawo Uganda kana vachisupportawo the ruling party ZANU-PF President Idi Mnangagwa. Don't subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tapaenda Makomich ndanyira chiti there is still hope for a better Zimbabwe by Isaac Makomich. Given how Vice President Konsano Chiwenga detests corruption and how strongly he opposes Uganda, it would be a disaster for corrupt officials if he were to become president one day. VP Chiwenga once addressed corruption in the Politburo and he demanded that Ugandans be arrested. He wanted them arrested that very day. This assures us that once he becomes president, those corrupt officials will be arrested in less than 24 hours and their assets will be taken by the state. Once corruption is stopped, the economy will flourish. Imagine living in a Zimbabwe where there is no corruption and every mineral and resource benefits the public. Corrupt officials are fighting Vice President Chiwenga because they don't want him to become president. They know that if he becomes president, they will be arrested and their assets seized by the state. That is why we as the public must support VP Chiwenga. They support President Idi Mnangagwa 100%, but when his term ends, we must ensure he steps down and Chiwenga becomes president. Do mashukano yaita kwa panguwa ino na Makomich. Pina comment section medu za funguro enyi maru kudipa msoro pima funguro ake. Subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.